looking forward for this festival po. Magiging annual to, di ba, sir? And, sino yung dream lineup niyo po for the next festivals? Okay, ask me.
Yung dream mo, dream ko.
Actually, hopefully we can dream na yun natin siguro like SB19, Bini, pero Cup of Joe, Rico Blanco, definitely. And sino sa ano natin?
Actually, ito yung talagang hinihintay nila sa Raya eh, yung sex bomb. So yung mga pinalagang sex bomb. So, mausap ko na sila, nakabunga na, pero
Hintayin natin.
hindi pa natin siya. Pero I think the next Raya, pakasama pa natin.
Mas malaking area.
Sex bomb. Hey guys.
Alright, mga pinalaki ng sex bomb, nag-aabang po ano, hanggang pang ilang round kaya ang kanilang concert. Sige, aabangan ho natin yan.
Follow-up question din. Will you feature a Kapampangan artist for this festival? And can you share to us?
Sino?
Yeah.
Actually, si Carl Timbon, ano siya, one of Kapampangan artists, locally known, na kilala siya sa Pampanga. So, hopefully, we can have more Kapampangan artists na known na nationally. So, yun, let's look forward to that.
Alright, thank you and good luck for the festival this weekend.